Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change Jeep Wrangler wiper blades. Before you begin, ensure you have the correct replacement blades. For many Jeep Wranglers, the front wiper blades are typically 15 inches in length. You generally won't need many tools for this job, but having a small flathead screwdriver on hand can be helpful for releasing the old blade's retaining clip. Now, let's remove those worn-out blades. First, gently pull the wiper arm away from your windshield until it stands upright and locks into position. Next, find the small retaining tab where the blade meets the arm. You'll either push or squeeze this tab, then slide the entire blade downwards, away from the arm's J-hook. Remember to carefully lower the arm back down, preventing it from snapping against the glass. With the old blades off, it's time for the new ones. Take your fresh wiper blade and align its connector with the J-hook on the wiper arm. Carefully slide the new blade upwards onto the hook. You should hear a clear click, indicating it's locked into place. Give the blade a gentle tug to ensure it's firmly attached and won't come loose during operation. Once both new blades are installed, gently lower the wiper arms back onto the windshield. Before using them, it's a good idea to clean your windshield to prevent any microscopic dirt from damaging the new rubber. Finally, activate your wipers with the washer fluid to ensure they operate smoothly and provide clear, streak-free visibility. Remember to replace your blades every 6 to 12 months for best performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.